What's up guys, it's Morgan from the Angular One, bringing you an unboxing, well, opening of my new plant. Still been talking about it, really. Got it, I've just been on holiday to Harrogate, near York. They had a load of scooter shops, I had like 4, so I went to one, got some books and stuff. But then I got my plant, and I think I got some bars for Christmas, don't know if I'm exactly what or not. But yes, I got a plant, and then I got £5 of free. Well, like 5 when you spend so much, you get £5 off. So that's why I definitely think I've got the bars. That was £16. So I used the £5 straight away because I didn't think I was going back, so I just got checked out. And I used it for it. So yeah, just get an unboxing done. Okay, so flavour. Really need to get shot. Ooh, it's wet. Covered in oil. Oh, sticky eyes. Ah, nasty. Okay, so my first thought for this is, sticky. Yeah, so my first thought for this is light. It's real light. It won't fit oversized because it's not big enough. It's not got a slot piece, so in case I need to inside. Yeah. Anyway, it's not. Oh, it doesn't fit oversized. It's got 4. I think the 5mm Allen keys, screws. They're real sticky. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to move on to this. I really like that. Hopefully it'll fit on my Brit that I get for Christmas, really nice. So for this, birdhouse. You get some birdhouse stickers. Cool. 4 spare wheels and deck. So it's got like a crow skull pattern on it. Normal black grip tape. It says birdhouse B. And Tony Hawk up there. So yeah, not very good with them. That's why I gave up. But anyway, that was an unboxing of Deck. Yeah, so the wheels, it comes with the like design. The wheels that you've got on it are like yeah, so overall I really like the plant. Goes in that way. It's got like a green graffiti splat pattern. Like you've just got pages thrown all over it on a plain black pad. It does look like the Blazer Pro quad plant, but it's a lot smaller and a lot lighter. So comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.